All right, guys, this is Keith Johnson. Today is August 13th, 2019. I'm going to walk you through your Level Rewards application. You're going to follow along, and we're going to get you done real quickly. All right, so you're on my website. You've watched this video. Most of the video still applies today. The only difference is the offers that are available this August may be different than the offers I suggest in July, the month before. So you're just going to follow this brand new episode, and I'm going to get you started very, very easily. So you're going to click Apply Now. It's going to take you to my official Level Rewards application. You've watched my video. You know how to go through it. So this is just a new episode to get you started. Now, if you're signing up with me, it's going to say Megan Good 77. If you're signing up under a different agent, the username will be different. So you're just going to proceed as normal, put in your name, put in your primary email address, and then create a password. Now, on the second page, it's going to take you here. What you're going to do is you're going to click a button at the top. It's going to say Complete Registration. You're going to complete the registration. You're going to click that button that says Complete Registration. It doesn't show up here on my end because I've already completed mine, but there should be a button up here that says Complete Registration. Click that, and then it should take you to a registration page where you're going to create your username at the top, and then your city, state, zip code, and you're going to choose how you want to get paid. So just like you saw in that hour video, you're going to fill that out accordingly. And then check the boxes below to understand that there's only one person per household who can do this. And then the terms and conditions, check that box. And then once you're done with that complete registration, it'll take you here. Now, these are the offers that I recommend you to do. LifeLock is worth 5 credits. So you're going to get up to 14 credits, right? So this is the list right here. LifeLock will give you 5 credits. Experian will give you 0.50 credits. Hulu will give you 2 credits. World Winner will give you 2.5 credits. eVoice will give you 0.85 credits. Fitney will give you 0.85 credits. Identity IQ will give you 1.5 credit. And I Can Read will give you 1 credit. All these credits will add up to at least 14 credits. When you get 14 credits, you are then eligible to earn $70 a referral. So, you're going to get to 14.20 credits. Now, if you do this within one day, if you get to at least 5 credits within your first day, we give you a bonus level or a bonus credit, which will then mean you will, at that point, if you complete everything on this list within 24 hours, you're going to actually be at 15.20 credits, which is fantastic, which means that at most you can earn $75 a referral. So these are the 8 offers that I recommend. So you're going to go to LifeLock, click View Details, Complete Deal. It'll take you on over to LifeLock. You're going to pick this one right here, which is the cheapest option, which is the LifeLock Standard for $8.99. You're going to click Start Membership. You're going to be redirected to fill out your information, add additional members if necessary, do your billing, and then you'll be able to be protected. So that's how you're going to do LifeLock. And then when you're done, you're going to come back to this page. You're going to click Experian, View Details, Valid Card, Complete Deal, and it will take you to Experian's official website so you can check your score, get credit report and FICO score. Click that green button. Click this green button and work your way through that offer. The third choice is Hulu Plus. So you're going to come here and click Hulu Plus. All right, so click View Details, Complete Deal. It's going to redirect you, and you're going to sign up now. Click that green button and do that offer. Then you're going to come back here. You're going to do World Winner. Now, World Winner is only offered in certain states. The states that it is not available is Arkansas, which is my state, Connecticut, Delaware, Illinois, Louisiana, Maryland, Montana, South Carolina, South Dakota, and Tennessee. If you're in any other state, you can do this offer, hit Complete Deal, and it'll take you to the page. You're going to deposit $10 and play to win. It's a game. It's worth 2.5 credits, which is really nice because the more credit, the better, because we're trying to get to 14 credits. The next one is eVoice. You're going to click View Details, Complete Deal, and it'll take you to eVoice official website. You're going to start your free month. Click that orange button. It doesn't matter the plan. I would probably go with this one right here and complete that offer. Then you're going to come back here. The next one is Identity Guard. Now, Identity Guard It does have a cap. They do not have any more samples available today, so you may have to come back tomorrow morning and do this offer. You're going to complete the deal. Offer may have a pre-authorization hold. It's reversed in 48 hours. So they may take maybe $1 on the card, and then they'll put it right back on the card within 48 hours. No big deal. It is a free trial, 30 days, complete deal. And again, you may have to do this first thing in the morning when they resupply with more samples. And then the last one you're going to do is come down to this green bar to where it says view all deals to expand the list. And you're going to come to I can read. You're going to click view details, complete deal, and then it should take you to I can read. You're going to fill this out, click the terms and conditions, and you're going to hit no thank you on the added books. Make sure you check this to say no thank you and then continue, and then you're done. These are the 8 offers that you can knock out within an hour, and all your credits will add up to 14.20, which will get you where you need to go. The total cost out of pocket is $26.98. And once you walk other people through the same application, you're going to walk other people through the same application, right? They're going to come here, watch my video. They're going to get started working from home. They're going to complete all their deals. And when they complete this test, you're going to walk away with a $70 payout. You can get paid that same day through PayPal or Zelle. And if you do direct deposit or Amazon gift card, it could take a few days to get to you. So you're going to earn $70 every time you introduce this program to somebody new. So congratulations. You're going to do all 8 of these offers. If you have any questions, give us a call. If you are short with offers, you're going to submit a missing credit request. I show you how to do that in the other video. Any additional offers on here that I recommend, if the ones that you choose on this list do not work and you need to keep building your credits higher and higher, these are the additional offers that I recommend. Fitney is a good one right here. The online workout. This one is pretty good. Life insurance is pretty good. You basically dial a phone number and get a quote, and you get 85.85 credits on that one. Final expense is the same thing. Dial a number, get a quote, you get 1 credit. Movie VOD is another good one. You stream a movie, you get 1 credit. Another good one is Amore Coffee, 0.75 credits for doing that one. They send you a bag of coffee for as little as $1. That's a good one. Nurx Birth Control. This is a good one. Well, no, I wouldn't do this one. I'm sorry. Brand Natural. Brand Natural is a good one. 14-day trial, CBD oil. You get 1.25 credits, and all you do is order the trial bottle for this small price. So those are the extra ones that I recommend. And if you need to rewind the video, you can do that. But I would stick with this list right here and then call if you have any questions or do these bonus offers to keep building your credit up, because your goal is to get to 14 credits and then you're eligible to earn $70 every time you bring in someone else to this program. So you're giving people a work at home opportunity. They've got to do these conditions. They got to meet these conditions on the application in order to earn the job. So you're giving them a job, you're giving them some products, and when you walk them through, you get $70 every time. Get another person signed up, $70. Another person, $70. And that's an extra, $210, if you get 3 people a day or 3 people for that day. In order for you to get started, you've got to get your 14 credits. So these are the offers that I recommend. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Identity IQ, you may have to come back later tomorrow to do that one. And if you need to do additional offers, again, Fitney, life insurance, final expense, movie VOD, Amore Coffee, Brand Natural. Those are the ones that I recommend as bonus ones that are easy, affordable, and that will credit you quickly. So I am done with the video. Go ahead, start the application. Go to my site, click Apply Now, and work your way through the application, complete your deals, do the registration, and do your deals. I will talk to you soon, and you will have training later this week. All right, bye-bye.